It's a DIY, you guys. It's a throwback, actually. I've done this one before, so yeah, it's a throwback. And we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna Hey you guys, this is a DIY that I've done before. I did it on my other channel that I now dedicate to pretty much just my my planner channel. So I moved most of my DIYs and food videos over here to my personal channel. I didn't ever move this one. I'm outside, so y'all might hear the background noise. I say this in all my videos. Y'all should know this by now. I'm not a professional, so you will hear all the background noise if you're new here. I make that statement every time, almost every time, so you will know I'm not a professional. So yeah, you will hear all the background noise that come along with this voiceover. But yes, this is a DIY that I did for a wall decor. Mostly everything I got from the Dollar Tree. Got a few things off of Amazon. That's one of those Dollar Tree racks I have right now. You can use, like, I've made this one before. This is my second time making it. The first time I made it, I used a mold to mold it into the shape I wanted. That time I just molded it with my hand, but it's better to have like a bowl or a cup or something that you want to use to help round it out to make it better. And in the first one, I used, for this part right here, I used foam board from the Dollar Tree, but I didn't have any more foam board, so I just used an old Amazon box that I cut and made two pieces and glued the two pieces together so it would be strong. And that's the, I don't know what that's called, the lace. And I'm just covering it with lace. This the part that's going to go on the wall. The little white piece back there, you're not going to see it because it's going to be against the wall, so it doesn't matter. And I cut it to the size of the shape of the wire rack. Yeah, I'm having a brain fart. I'm sorry. Like, when I go to do these voiceovers, I can't think straight sometimes. I just get stuck on stuff. Anyway, I'm using a strong adhesive because I want this to really stay on my wall. And actually, it has stayed on my wall since I made it. And I'm also using hot glue so it can temporarily stay put together while I finish doing what I'm doing. I put the chandelier jewels on. I didn't show that part. There's a lot of parts I didn't show, but I put the chandelier jewels on and I used a strong... No, I didn't. I put them in between the things and I used... I had initially used hot glue so it would stay in place, but it didn't look too good, so I took the hot glue off and they're in between each little slot, so they do slide. Here I'm putting lace on this. I made one without the lace. You will see it at the end of the video. The one without the lace looked much better because I really didn't take my time with this as I should have. You see the laces are looking a little bulky, but the jewels that I'm going to put on it is going to kind of cover up that bulkiness, and I am going to cut that excess lace off the bottom of it once I get done with everything. So now I'm about to put the, I'm not putting the jewels on just yet. I'm going to put the flower mesh on. I don't know the correct term for that. I think it's called flower mesh. I would have to go to Amazon, look it up, and see what it's called, because I got those off of Amazon. I think it's flower mesh. I don't know. Flower mesh jewels or something like that. I like them. I order them a lot. I use them in a lot of my DIYs that I do. I have a lot of them around my house. And I measured out the length, and one is... Each row... How do I say this? The little silver lines on the wire rack. You're gonna put flower mesh on each one of those, and I glued it down with the E6000 as well as the hot glue gun. This is what it's looking like on all of the lines. Excuse me. On this wall decor, and now I'm gonna put the crystals. Now I got these crystals from Amazon, but certain Dollar Tree actually sell these crystals, so you don't have to buy them from Amazon. I live in a small town. My Dollar Tree don't have nothing. Like, I be seeing people do DIYs with Dollar Tree, and they be having the most amazing stuff that they be doing their DIYs with, and I can't never find it because ours just don't. We don't have the same stuff that everybody else have. But I did get these off of Amazon, and I think more come in a pack off the ones that you get off of Amazon. But I use the E6000 as well as the glue gun to glue these jewels down. This is what it's looking like. I mean, I like it, but I really do like the first one that I did better than I like this one. I don't know. I think I should have left the lace off because I like the one without the lace better. But this one is alright. I mean, it came out okay. If you see the top and the bottom doesn't have any crystals on it because I'm going to add a different type of decoration at the top and the bottom. That's what I'm showing you right here. I'm going to add a different type of decoration. And I really didn't like it. I'm going to use these little silver flower things. I had these from a previous DIY, so I decided to just use them here. And then I wanted it to look like a crown at the top and bottom. So those are spoons, little silver spoons from the Dollar Tree. And those are little mirror sticker things I got from Amazon. I have a whole bunch of DIY stuff that I just reuse over and over in different projects. But yeah, those are spoons from the Dollar Tree that I broke up and used for the crown looking top. So that's the one with the lace. And that's the one without the lace. And this one, I like that one better. I even like the crown of that one better than the one with the lace. But I like them both. They both look good. I'm going to redo this one because I just like the one without the lace better. So I'm going to redo that one and just have matching wall decors without the lace. And you can add lights to these if you want. And, you know, have it lit up at night. I have not added any lights, but you can. Thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate it. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye.